That's $90 plus shipping and taxes. It's $105.36. Well, I am not buying it. I already have one here. It needs a little repair. And let me tell you, the other day I found the battery cover. It was in the tracks, the box tracks. This one needs a little repairs. Let me show you. It's the driving axle that needs a big replacer. It's actually the cog, but it runs forward, does not run backwards. Like I say, it needs a new cog. But anyways, so let's begin. We have Dart, Proteus, Henry. Which one is Bert? This is Arry, Bert, Bash, Rosie, Diesel 10, Paxton, Freddie, snow-covered Diesel, yellow Rheneas, and Rosie as a B. James. I want to put them in the tracks now. Now we have a very simple track layout, very easy. And then here is Rosie as a B. James, the complete set running along the tracks. Very nice. Excellent, excellent. Very cool. Where is Toby? Toby is hiding in the inside the shed. Cool. Twins Arry and Bert. There they are, the Diesels, Arry and Bert. Both take a C battery, not included. These models are already on my website, or you can check eBay. My website, customtrackmasters.com. Nice, nice. Let me put Rosie as a B. James on the side. Very cool diesels, very quiet. The turn for Paxton. Pretty fast actually. I'm going to turn the switch to the right. Excellent. Oh, they're gonna crash. I hope not. No, they didn't. Oh, the rail. It's raining back. Cool, excellent. I'm gonna take a diesel, snow-covered diesel. Let's see if that comes. That's really fast. Switch to the other side. Oh, an accident. I didn't notice it was off the tracks. Okay, where's the other one? With the rail too. Ooh. Okay, here's the snow-covered diesel. This one is actually very quiet. I don't know if you can hear the motor. Oh, the rail. What's going on with this track? Okay. Now we're back again. Another crash? No, didn't happen. The turn for Freddie. Is Freddie actually in a good condition? Time to run. Good, good, good. That Freddie is fast. Ooh, the rail, the rail. Uh-oh. Good. The spotlight, these are not battery operated. It's just like a dummy light. Cool, and it comes with Rheneas with a new coat of paint, whatever it's called, yellow Rheneas. Therefore, there's Freddie coming really fast. Not really fast. I think they are both the same speed. Or is it a little faster? I think Freddie's a little faster than Rheneas. No? No, I don't think so. Bye, Freddie. Alright, a diesel 10 with a giggling, troublesome truck face. What's going on with this one? Kind of slow. I need to check that one. Oh, it's not in the tracks. Oh, there you go. Now it's faster. No, it's not. Oh. I need a fresh battery for that diesel 10, but I have another one here with a little hopper car or a little cart. Nice. I think that's the speed they have. Both have the same speed. Let me put this one back in the tracks. I have fresh batteries in it. Not all the trains run the same speed. Let me see this one here. Rosie with a water tanker. I think those two guys crash over there. Alright, let's go back to Rosie. Where'd Rosie go? There she comes. Good, good, good. This one actually fast. Not bad, not bad. Next we have Bash. And look at these sliding doors on this box car. Nice. Alright, let's put this to run. Cool. We have Proteus with a blue truck. There it goes, Proteus. Nice, nice. Oh, that truck is offset. I need to fix it. Proteus crash the rail. Good. That Proteus a little faster than Bash. He's gonna catch up with Bash. See, I don't really know the names of these models, but I need to look underneath. This one is a Dean. I always confuse them with Dart, same as Emily and Molly, with a water tanker. Good. Good, 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 excellent. Let me put Henry. That's a fast Henry, good. Oh, crash. I had no time to turn the switch to the other side. Let's see if we can fix. Oh, never mind. Let's see how many I can put in the same truck. I mean, at the same time. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have some crashes here. Some of these, oh, they might, the rail. Oh, they did the rail a lot. I can't put so many without derailing. But there they are. That's a lot. Let's see when they derail. I'm trying to see. Oh, there's the first one. The second one. They're about to fall. Yep. Oh, accidents will happen. Oh man. That's a lot of derailment. Wow. And let's see the last one coming here. Alright, that's it for today.